Hello and welcome to another CN-Series snippet. My name is Spencer Tellman and I'm a Container Security Product Manager here at Palo Alto Networks. Today we'll be discussing the role of network security in securing containers. And I'd like to open with the following statement, which is that network security is container security. Regardless of whether an application is deployed on bare metal, virtual machines, or containers, these environments all still depend on the same fundamental networking protocols and principles. And so this means that containers are just a new form factor. The same network-based threats still loom. And we've highlighted 3 network-based threats here. The first is cryptojacking. An example of this is Graboid, in which 2,000 unsecured Docker hosts were misused to mine Monero cryptocurrency. The second is command and control. An example of this is the log4j exploit, in which up to 3 billion Java devices are vulnerable to complete control and exploitation. And the third is botnet C2. An example of this is Maris botnet, in which 250,000 devices were compromised and then used to launch a DDoS attack against Yandex, which is a Russian search engine. So we're often asked, why do I need a next generation firewall if I already have shift-left security? And the answer is that it's like driving an electric car. So your shift-left deploy time protection tools are analogous to the security features in a car that kick in before you get on the road, such as checking if your seatbelts are fastened, if the doors are locked, the battery status, a maintenance check, and also tire pressure. On the other hand, CN-Series, our best-in-class next-generation firewall, provides network runtime protection. Again, in the context of our car analogy, these are the security tools that initiate once you're on the road and facing threats in traffic, such as airbags to protect your life, automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, blind spot collision warning, and lane departure avoidance. Our message is that you need both shift-left deploy time protection tools and also CN-Series, our network runtime protection tool, in order to maximally protect your container infrastructure from security threats. Now let's discuss why network runtime protection is so important. CN-Series has the ability to protect containerized applications and infrastructure from both known and unknown vulnerabilities. Let's start with known vulnerabilities. CVEs can take months to years to be detected, for a fix to be released, and then to be patched. Furthermore, customers cannot always keep their apps patched and up to date. So with our known vulnerability protection, CN-Series provides our customers with the peace of mind that they require to patch their infrastructure at their own pace, because they know that they are already protected from known vulnerabilities. Now let's move on to unpatched and unknown vulnerabilities. An example of this is malware in C2, which can be used to steal data and or abuse compute resources. So CN-Series, in combination with our cloud-delivered security services such as threat prevention, wildfire, URL filtering, and DNS security, are always on and require no per-app deployment or adjustment, so that your containerized applications are protected from unknown and unpatched vulnerabilities through the wider Palo Alto Networks portfolio. If you're interested in learning more about CN-Series, I would encourage you to take a look at these 2 resources. Firstly, our Speakeasy, in which we cover how Kubernetes can secure and expose industries to risk. And also our next snippet, in which we will be covering an introduction to Kubernetes constructs. On behalf of the CN-Series product management team, I'd like to thank you for attending this session today. And I look forward to sharing more details on the CN-Series containerized next generation firewall with you in future snippets. If you're interested in learning more, please take a look at the description, where we've provided helpful links to all things CN-Series. Thank you.